Ever watched a bulldozer charging over rocky ground and thought, how is the operator surviving that? There's no suspension, no springs, not even a shock absorber in sight. Today we're digging into why these 50-ton monsters are built to be brutal. Suspension is one of the first things we think about in vehicle design. Cars have it, buses have it, even some military tanks have it. But bulldozers, they roll rigid. And that's no accident. It's a carefully engineered decision that makes them better at what they do. Suspension systems have two main goals: improve comfort and maintain wheel contact with the ground. In cars, that's critical for handling and safety. In off-road vehicles, it's about traction and stability, but bulldozers don't have wheels, they run on continuous tracks. There are some dozers with wheels which are not called as bulldozer, they are known as wheeldozer. And that changes everything. Bulldozer tracks already do half the job of a suspension system. The heavy tracks, road wheels and idlers, along with the vehicle's low speed, minimize the need for a complex suspension system. Because the track spreads the machine's weight over a large surface area, the ground pressure is super low, often less than a human footprint. That means the machine doesn't sink into soft soil. And because the track is long and wraps around multiple rollers, it's already conforming to uneven terrain. Now imagine you're pushing 40 tons of dirt with a massive front blade. You need every ounce of force transferred directly to the ground. A soft, moving suspension would absorb that force. It would flex, bounce, and waste energy. By eliminating suspension, dozers become more stable, more powerful, and far easier to control in high-resistance jobs. But what about the operator? Without suspension, it's like riding a metal jackhammer all day, right? Not quite. Modern bulldozers use suspended seats and isolated cabs to reduce vibrations. It's not luxury, but it's tolerable and far more reliable than a complex suspension system exposed to mud, rocks, and stress. Could you add suspension to a bulldozer? Technically, yes, but now you're dealing with more parts, more failure points, and higher maintenance, all for a machine designed to be abused. In the real world of construction and mining, simplicity wins. That's why dozers are designed like tanks, tough, rigid, and brutally effective. So next time you see a bulldozer bouncing like a mechanical bull, just remember, it's doing exactly what it was built to do. Subscribe to Design Hub Heavy Machinery for more breakdowns on the machines that move the world. Until next time, stay strong, stay curious.